and distinguished guests. A very good evening to you all.
Good evening.
Taking, struggling, giving. This is a new combination I have learned today from our speaker. Whenever we think of stages of life, we always think of ages of life. Okay, I am child, I am adolescent, but here the stages as very differently mentioned by our speaker. First thing is the speaker is as an icebreaker. There is I should evaluate him not as an icebreaker, obviously. So I will give a much more evaluation higher than icebreaker level. One thing is definitely the whole speech. One thing is there is a light, very underlying lightness or a humor, you call it. You feel in a tragedy a humor. There is a very light humor. We never felt sad, even though he's telling so much struggle. That's a very good ability to keep it audience heart light, not to make them cry or anything, but at the same time you express the tragedy, what happens in life. That's obviously that comes out of experience in life, whatever we do. And stage in a virtual meeting, definitely the way of he used the moving around a little bit here and then stage definitely is use the stage to the limits what is possible in a virtual environment. Eye contact very steady, no wavering, very stable eye contact. Is able to connect to audience. I could able to connect even in a virtual meeting with his eye contact. And tone is so pleasant, like a drinking, like I feel like I'm listening to some very smooth, drinking a honey or something, very smooth tone, very pleasant, very meditative tone it is. The tone is very nice. The speed is excellent. That's the best part I can see so far. There is more to add. Only with I have one or two points in terms of tone. We say that yes, very good tone. This thing, the volume could be little variance. You can bring in. You can make your pitch little high, low, changing the volume a little bit here and there. It will emphasize the point. So only the volume part, other than tone speed, is good. Volume can be changed. You can play with it sometimes. So the audience will give a jolt to audience so that they can immediately wake up. Even somebody's got into the meditation also, they can wake up and hear the voice nicely. Otherwise, definitely soothing voice. And actions as a gestures, yes, we cannot expect much to observe gestures in a virtual meeting. But only one point is that you're always having little bit of your elbows are locked. So we don't say that, okay, your elbows should not be locked always like this. We say that drop the hands. So that's one area which we can change a bit of actions doing that way. And absolutely, you are very comfortable with your subject, particularly. You are very comfortable giving the speech and you are honest, first of all, even to what you have gone through, what people have stabbed you back. Various things happen in married life, everything. You are very honest and polite and smiling even when you are saying those things. So with all those things, I would say that you did an excellent job. What we want to see, what we want to hear, what we want to feel, all components are there in your speech. Excellent speech. We're looking forward for your next speech. All the best. Back to you, Mr. General Evaluator.
Thank you.